Hello, fellow artists and Marvel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our drawing universe. Today, we're diving into the cosmos with a beloved character from Guardians of the Galaxy, the quick-witted, trigger-happy Rocket Raccoon. So, sharpen your pencils or get your stylus ready, and don't forget to hit that like button before we blast off. As we prepare to sketch Rocket, let's chat a bit about him. Rocket Raccoon, often known simply as Rocket, is one of the most unusual characters in the Marvel Universe. First appearing in 1976, this anthropomorphic raccoon has made a big impact with his sharp intelligence, sarcastic humor, and knack for big guns. Now, as I start roughing out Rocket's general shape, let's delve into his backstory. Rocket isn't just any ordinary raccoon turned superhero. He is the result of genetic engineering on a planet known as Half-World, which was an insane asylum where the animal companions were genetically modified to grant them human intelligence and bipedal body construction for better service. As I'm working on Rocket's facial features here, it's interesting to note that Rocket has gone through quite an evolution in comic book appearances over the years, but his unique design in Guardians of the Galaxy made him a household name. His combination of rough-around-the-edges charm and a softer side won over audiences worldwide. Moving on to the details of Rocket's outfit, it's worth noting that Rocket isn't just a comic book and movie star. He's also a key character in Guardians of the Galaxy, the Telltale series video game, where players can delve deeper into Rocket's backstory and get to know the character on a more personal level. In Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 3, Rocket's character development takes a step further. With each installment, we see Rocket growing and learning more about loyalty, friendship, and his own personal identity. Despite his tough exterior, he's proved to be a real softie, with his bonds to Groot and the rest of the team showing us his deep capacity for love and sacrifice. Now, let's add some color to bring our sketch to life. Rocket's design is a great combination of earthy tones that make him stand out in the colorful cosmos of the Guardians of the Galaxy. While we're coloring, here's a fun fact. Rocket's character in the Marvel Cinematic Universe is voiced by none other than Bradley Cooper, whose layered performances have added depth to Rocket's persona. Have you ever noticed Rocket's intricate gadgets? In the movies, he's shown as an excellent pilot and a brilliant engineer, often outsmarting foes and allies alike with his out-of-the-box thinking and resourcefulness. This aspect of his character makes him a fun and unpredictable element in any storyline. As we wrap up this drawing with the final details, it's worth mentioning that Rocket Raccoon is more than just a funny character in a superhero movie. He represents resilience, intelligence, and the idea that heroes come in all shapes and sizes. And there we have it, Rocket Raccoon in all his glory. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this sketch and who you'd love to see drawn next. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't yet, hit subscribe for more art tutorials and facts. Until our next drawing adventure, keep creating.